What's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have another rear diffuser for you guys. And this is our vicrez wide body rear diffuser, and it's our OEM style for the Dodge Charger fitting 2015 to 2023 models. Now let's go ahead and open this up and show you everything it comes with. Now of course, like most of our other rear diffusers, it's kind of this matte black look, which honestly fits with most schemes of cars. And then, as you see on the back here, you have the tabs for installing it onto your rear bumper, as well as mounting holes so you can bolt it in place along the entire bottom edge. Now the OEM look is to match the original one. That way if you ever damage yours, you can go ahead and just buy a replacement through vicrez.com. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this.